She knows everything.
Maliban lang sa kanya. Di ba, aalamin pa natin para makakuha tayo ng back-to-back.
Would you indulge us?
Of course, of course. But before I will do it, I would just like to thank everybody. Maraming salamat po. Ilang beses niyo na ako pinaiyak, pero siguro yung lesson na pwede kong maihatid sa inyo through my journey with this one. You know that I've competed many times. I've placed runner-up many times. But this time, our not yet became finally. So I hope you will also not give up on your dreams because soon, your not yet will also become finally.
Yeah.
So this is my introduction. But I need some...
Ayan! Ang ganda ng mic stand mo, girl. Are you ready, Philippines?
Yeah! Okay lang masabayan niyo ako para mas marinig ni Papa na wag baka mamaya, di ba? Bigay niyo yung isa pang corona.
O, gusto mo ng countdown, ha? Okay, sige, go! Remember that you are witnessing history in the making. And with that, I'd like to thank our friends from the media and of course our VIPs, Sir ALV, Sir Nawad, and Sir Jojo Borganes, and Madam. And with that, let's have a photo opportunity with our executive committee and with ALV Pageant Circle. And after that, feel free to approach for your one-on-one interviews or interview them outside of the program. Let's have our first photo opportunity with Emma, Papa Nawad, and Gotcha Bell, as well as CJ, of course.
Gotcha Bell!
And for our next photo opportunity, please stand by. We'd like to call on our sponsor from Marinova, as well as Sir Jojo Bragares. One by one first. First, let's have our sponsor for Marinova, and let's have Sir Jojo on standby. Thank you so much, Marinova, for your continued support of Miss Grand Philippines and, of course, the LV Pageant Circle. Now let's have Sir Jojo Braganes. Please stand by, our guest from One Ayala. Thank you so much, One Ayala, for accommodating us today and giving our Queen Emma Mary Tigpao a very grand homecoming fit for a queen. Everyone, don't forget to follow Miss Grand on all their socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Where are our representatives from One Ayala? Can we have them on stage? All right, can we have our next photo op will be with Emma and her glam team as well after this. All right, please stand by, Emma with her glam team. All right, say cheese. Now let's have Emma with the ALV Pageant Circle team with CJ Opiaza and Gotcha Bell. We have ALV Pageant Circle. And after this, please stand by for the Beauty Queen Well-Wishers. Cheese! Ladies and gentlemen, that's the dream team right there. All right. Then up next is I'm going to join you guys because I need a photo. Oh my gosh.
Okay, while you're...
Yes.
I just want to acknowledge all our sponsors. This wouldn't be possible without Marinova, One Hand, Discovery Premier, Grace yourself, Juan Ayala, and Lacinia. And I would like to invite all of you to all the Kapampangans, and if you're willing to travel to Pampanga tomorrow, we will be having another grand homecoming in my hometown, Pampanga. Kaya mikit-ikit tamo po, kabaler!
Say cheese!
Gotcha Bell!
Gotcha Bell! Gotcha Bell!
Gotcha Bell!
Can we call Sir Yon onto the stage?
Maria.
All right.
Thank you
last
so much
photo.
once again for watching.
Give us a
Bye.
big smile. All right, let's call on Lasadia. Okay, of course. Of course, let me just get back downstairs. All right, here you go.
Maray. Lance lang. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Joy Belmonte.
Wow! Now you can have our Miss Grand International with you. Can we have Lasadia on stage for our photo opportunity? Lasadia, where are you?
Ayaw niyang suot.
Wow! Custom neckties ready for business. And it matches with the golden crown. Can we have Lasadia on stage, please, for a photo opportunity? Is Lasadia around? All right, let's have our last photo opportunity with Papa Nawad, CJ Opiaza, Miss Emma Mary Tiglao, and of course, Gotcha Bell. One more. Are you guys okay? Thank you so much, Lasadia, Marinova, and Sir Bob, and especially Juan Ayala for making today's activity possible. Do we have Grace Yourself present today?
One more!
Are you around? Okay, and we'll have a solo photo with our one and only Queen Maker, Arnold Vega Faria. Sorry, Dr. Arnold Vega Faria. Beauty Queen Maker na Dr. pa. How does it feel to make history, sir?